This is how we do it. Show you how to make a prime rib sandwich right now, you know what I'm saying? Big E style, Big E style. I know y'all want to see that. Alright. It's taking me a little time to get it popping, but you're gonna get it popping. All the way popping. All the way popping. I'm trying to understand the seasoning, what goes into all of this. But nothing but love goes into all of this. Nothing but love. Gonna let that sit for a minute while I get the rest of it ready. For those who it matter to. See what I'm starting out with? Nice clean surface. And just let him go, baby. That's all you gotta do. Let him go. It's gonna do what it's doing. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it don't burn up. Pretty much 5-10 minutes. 5 minutes on one side. Flip it. Another 2 minutes. Then flip it for 5 more minutes. Then rotate it for another 2 minutes. 14 minutes. You got you a good steak. It's just that simple, man. Just that simple. Now let me put the bread together and show you how to put the bread together. Take me a little drizzle. We got olive oil. Oh yeah. The flip side of life, baby. The flip side of life. So your bread should come out. Oh, one casualty of war. I mean, it's not a casualty. I just left it in there too long. But yeah, that's over there cooking nice though. Just add a little extra twist to it. Yeah, you know, I decided to make some shrimp po' boys as well. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice, I promise. It's gonna be nice. And boom, there it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like mine a little bit red, a lot of it red. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just me. You know what I'm saying? And the shrimp over there looking good, the bread looking good. Show you how we put this thing together. And that's what we have. We got the steak. No, that looks good. We got the shrimp. Oh well. We got the surf and turf, the best of both worlds back there. You know what I'm saying? Like, what more do you want from Big E? You know what I'm saying? I love y'all just that much to show y'all what I can give you. Just give it all to me, baby. That's all I want you to do. Come holler at me. Holler at me. One love. Peace.